Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Gagana V from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to explain about the topic DML, which is a subtopic in DBMS subject engineering. So, what exactly is DML? DML is a subpart of this DBMS subject. So, let's see what exactly it is. Just a moment. So DML stands for Data Manipulation Language, a specific kind of computer programming language designed for interacting with data within a database. The main function of DML is to modify the existing data. So DML doesn't create any data. The data which is already present, it just does manipulation of it or the modification of it. Here are the key things DML can do: inserting new data into tables, updating existing data within the table, then deletion data from the table. So what does it? It inserts new data into the already existing table, updates existing data within the table. So it updates all the kind of data which is already present in the table, and then deletes data from the table. It also acts as cleaning. So it deletes data from the table. So first, now we'll understand what is the difference between DML versus DDL. Understanding the difference, it's important to distinguish DML from data definition language. DDL deals with structure of database itself, such as creating table, defining data types, and establishing relationship between tables. DML, on the other hand, focuses on manipulating the data stored within the table. Okay, so to understand this more of, it's like very necessary to distinguish between DML and DDL. So DML stands for data manipulation language, whereas DDL stands for data definition language. First things, there's a difference between the full form. The second part is DDL deals with the structure of the database itself, such as creating database, whereas DML only updates the tables or inserts new data, but the creation of table is done by DDL. Okay, data defining data type and establishing relationship between the table. DML, on the other hand, focuses on manipulating the data stored in the table. So DML is DDL is basically of creating, defining data types and establishing relationship between the table, whereas DML, on the other hand, focuses on manipulating the data stored within those tables. Yeah, just a moment. Now, common DML statements. While specifying syntax may vary depending on the database system, some general DML statements include insert, update, delete. Insert adds new rows of data. Add new rows of data to the table. Update means it updates the modify, like it modifies the existing data within a table. Delete matlab it removes rows of the data from a table. Now let's understand selecting data. Selecting data, reading from the database is something considered a separate category under data query language. However, DML and DQL are closely related. Some DML operation may involve selecting data before modifying it. Additionally, some database system might allow a single statement to perform both selection and manipulation. I hope this explanation clarifies about DML role in database. Now, we'll again see some of the terms used here. So, terms, it's a tool used to manage the actual content stored within the database. Imagine a DML is a set of instructions for adding, editing, and removing information from your database table. Key functions, as we have already seen, is inserting new data, updating existing data, then deleting a data. DML allows you to add fresh entities to your raw data tables, updating existing data. Need matlab it actually modifies something in your database. DML helps you to make those changes directly within the tables, and then deleting data. DML lets you to remove unwanted or outdated data from your database table. Now, this is some of the other function. Then a DBMS, now let's understand what DBMS is. DBMS empowers you to perform various tasks. So, as I told you, DML is a command under DBMS. So, now we'll understand what is DBMS. DBMS empowers you to perform various tasks, including creating database, define the structure and organization of your data, defining data types, specifying the format of your data, number, text, or dates, then inserting, updating, and deleting data, adding new information, modifying existing data, or removing outdated data. Then querying data retrieves a specific data being on your need using a query language like SQL, then generating reports, summarizing and analyzing your data to gain valuable insights. Thank you. Hope this helped you. Please do like, share, and comment.